Hey, welcome. So, calendars. Have you ever wanted to create a calendar in Canva only to discover that you have to sit there creating text boxes for each number, resizing it, putting it into a grid, and making it look how you want? It is time consuming. Well, you need Calendar Maker. Okay, here we are. Calendar Maker. What is Calendar Maker and how do you access it? That is exactly what we are going to show you today. First of all, Calendar Maker is an app. So we need to head over to the app section on the left-hand column of the menu under apps. In the search bar, start typing calendar, C-A, if I can spell it right. And the calendar maker will appear in the drop down. Select calendar maker. It's this one here. It looks a bit like it's got a purple background and it looks a bit like a calculator, but it's meant to be a calendar. And you can create your custom monthly or weekly calendars very, very easily. Now, I am going to use this in a new design, but if you've already created the background of a calendar page, you can use it in an existing design as well. So I'm going to click use in a new design, and I'm just going to go for my trusty Instagram post. Okay, so we have a lovely blank page, and on the left-hand side, when it has done its thing, Canva is going to bring up all the information I need to create my calendar. Now you have the option of monthly, weekly calendars if you wanted to, or custom. Now, if you wanted to create something with potentially every date for 6 months on, you can do it in custom. I'm going to go back to monthly and I'm going to show you how this works. Let's say we want to go for January 2025. Let's start at the beginning of the year. The first box is your 12 months, the second box, years. Now, this goes up to 2034, so you can make lots of calendars here. I can start the week with a Sunday if I want to, otherwise, it will just start with a Monday. The next section is my header. So in your calendar, you have your Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and that's where you can change this section here. You can change the font, the style, bold, underline, italic, align where you want the actual text to be, and the text size and the color of the text. So this, yes, this is the color of your text. Now, if we carry on going down, we have a number section as well. And this is exactly the same as the section for the header, but it's for the numbers. So the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, your actual dates. Font, styling, alignment, size, and again, color. Now, the colors are white because we're going on to the background, which is the last section. Now, this is given me 3 different colors, the header, the odd rows, the even rows, so you can actually change the color of the rows. This is the background color of the actual calendar. I'm not going to change anything. I'm just going to click add to design and you can see the calendar it has made me. I'll make it a little bit bigger for you. So we've got our numbers and our colors, the header, the even, the odd numbers are all different. Now, if I wanted to change these, for example, if I would like to have a white background, I would probably change the color of my text. Now I could go for a branding color. I'll choose my gray. For my header, I will also choose gray for my numbers. And the background of my header, we'll go for the orange color I use. And the odd rows and the even rows, I will change to white. This is, so what you're doing is you're clicking on the circle and it is changing the color of the text. Okay. And then I will click add to design. And there we go. Canva have now created me a lovely calendar with grey numbers, grey words, and my yellow background. If I wanted to change the size of the days of the week and the numbers, because they are quite small, I'm going to just make it maybe not that big. 47 we'll go for. add to design. I'll delete the one underneath, delete table, because I have now got a bigger, better one. So stay on the app and you can make your changes and it will just swap it out for you. So there we go. I've now got myself a lovely calendar for January 2025 that I can use. I could make a separate page for each one. As I've got one here, I could have another one, I can create another one and another one, and I can create an entire calendar. But you can also add these into a design. So if I go to the blank page, back up to design, and type in background, for example, so it gives me more of a background style template that I can actually add a nice calendar into. I could choose something like that, giving me a lot of space here to play with. Head over to here, and if I drag this, did you see what I done there? I actually took it from this page, held my finger on my mouse button and dragged it into this page here. Now I would like to change the colors of this row, or I could change my background. Hang on, we don't want to add in rows. Let's delete the row that I've just added. So when I hovered over, I clicked on the background and it clicked on the cross instead. But I can change the color of the background, I can change the color of the elements, or I can change the color of my heading on my calendar, but it gives me the option to create a calendar very, very quickly in Canva. I love that one. I think that's such a great feature in Canva, the calendar maker. Create your own calendar, create your own diary page if you want to. You can add these calendars into your diary pages. You can change the size of the boxes for each one so it's big enough for you to write in. Add it to an A4 page, make it nice and big so you've got boxes that you can then write into and create your own planner. Love it. So that's me. I'm Laura from the Business Design Academy. I am a Canva creator and a Canvassador. So please do make sure that you come and follow my channel because we have so many exciting things waiting for you in store in future videos.